Automatic buy sell signal indicator. In live market, it will indicate calls like a signal. Right now it's a buy call, buy signal, green color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will indicate calls like a signal for intraday trading. So right now you got the entry point, target and stop loss. You will get where to take entry, where to put the target. Through this entry you can do manual trading, auto trading, both are possible. If you want to know the chart plan detail, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the plan detail. Today it's a Tuesday market, more than a Tuesday market. Today it's a last day of this 2024. So it's a 31st December we are watching, and around 12:30 p.m. we have received this buy call, buy at 51,238. On daily basis and standard basis, we are uploading video on Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart, like how calls are generating, how it performing in live market. So you can check our previous video so you have better idea about this chart also. The buy call came right now, this 12:30 buy call came at buy at 51,238. Can you see that straight white line from green candle? That is our entry line. Above line are target line, below red color line is the stop loss line. So the entry point is 238, first target is 366. It's more than 120 point first target range. A sudden momentum in the market, so it easily break out the first target range. Market was at the time of entry, at the time of buy call generated, it was a very flat momentum. It traded between 30 point, 40 point range only, and then sudden movement in the opposite direction, and it started to move in bullish direction and break out the target. 52,000 call option out of the money we are watching. Buy call came at 553 and market move all the way to 600, 605 like that. So like this you can change script, like option chart also it will come. So future and option, now you have the idea how the chart will look. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will send you the plan detail. Thank you.